Hello everyone, my name is Shawn and this is the ROG Phone. Off the bat, it looks amazing. I've never seen such a beautiful masterpiece of a box. I love the triangle shape of it and it's just so unique, so alien-like. Even on the overall exterior, you can see the beautiful designs that's coming out, and then the red accents, the red ROG logo, you have to have that. In front of the flap, you have a ROG aerodynamic system, and it feels like it's metal. Very, very cool. Okay, let's open it up. So apparently we have to go like that, I think. Open it like that. Oh, there you go. Oh my goodness, look at that, how beautiful it just opens like that. So there are three compartments to it. Firstly, this is the Aero Active Cooler that goes onto the device, latches onto the device and just gonna cool the entire system down, because this is, after all, a gaming beast and you need it to be cooled the entire time. So let's just put that aside. Okay, this is a Taiwanese version, but the Malaysian set will come with the UK 3-pin, the usual 3-pin. But what's interesting about this charger is that it is a USB Type-C. So the end of it is a double USB Type-C, which is very interesting. It's braided, and you know it's going to be gaming if you have a braided USB Type-C charger. So this will allow for fast charging plugs, port plugs for the ROG Phone, because it comes with a lot of ports, which I will get into. We have the phone itself. Oh my god, this is a beauty. Look at this. You have the dual front facing speakers. You gotta have that for the gaming. You got a front camera, and on the right side of the device you have the volume up and volume down, power button, and also something very interesting, if you can look closely, is that they have two air triggers which will act as your L1 and R1 triggers, like how you have in controllers, gaming controllers. And to the left side of the device, you can see you have the SIM slot tray, and also here's where you get your secondary port. What this does is going to allow you to fit on Aero Active Cooler onto this device, which I'll show you in a bit. On the bottom, you have a headphone jack and also a USB Type-C charging. On the back, you have the beautiful, beautiful ROG logo, which is going to be glowing in RGB lighting. And of course, here you have the heat sink, which apparently by Asus, it is made out of nickel, which is supposed to dissipate heat better and more efficiently. So that is truly, truly amazing to see a heat sink like that on the ROG Phone, on a phone in fact. And of course, you have the dual cameras, and also a fingerprint, which you can see has a very unique design. Let's see how it ons. Boom, look at the sound. Just browsing through really quickly and just opening apps, you can see this is super buttery smooth, obviously thanks to the 90 Hz refresh rate. It is running a 2.96 GHz special bin Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 CPU, 6-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, 4000 mAh battery. Malaysia will have two variants to it, which is 8 gigs and 128 gigs storage, and also the 8 gigs plus 512 gigs of storage. Two USB-C ports, here and here. Open it up like that, yeah. Fit it on to the side USB. Boom, it goes in like this. Boom. Oh, you can feel the wind already. Oh, look at that. Beautiful RGB lighting coming off the back here on a phone. So the good thing about this is then now you get an extra USB port here and also a headphone jack. So when you're playing games, the wires don't get in the way where it usually does on the side here. You got a headphone jack here and a USB on the side. Now you don't want that. You want something that you want the wires come down, and we want to get a good grip on your phone while you're just gaming away, playing PUBG, Free Fire, you know what? And also using the air triggers as well. So really, really cool. That is about it. That is the first impression and unboxing of the ROG Phone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.